Hey guys, if you're shopping for knives and gear, make sure you check out the description of the video you're watching right now for links to some great online retailers. There's also individual links for knives that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. Not sure what's in here, but it says it's from Blade Banter, so it's most likely from the Apex Pass-Around group. Apex Pass-Around Goop. What am I saying? Thanks so much to my generous patrons for supporting me right now. If you'd like to get your hands on some cool stickers and other benefits, there's of course a link right down in the description. You're supporting me in the world to me. And please follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Let's go ahead and cut into this guy real quick here. Do that one, that side. And yeah, what do we have? Is this, I haven't handled a CRKT in forever. Is that it? Yeah, packing material. All right, thanks. Let's see. What do we have? That's interesting. What? Oh my gosh, this is kind of neat. Is this the... Oh! Hey! Is this the... yeah, this is their lock. Oh my gosh, I am so dumb. What is the name of this? The Deadbolt. There it is, right there. This is cool. This is one of the coolest knives that I've seen from CRKT in a while. Can you... Does it fall? I'm going to have to mess with adjusting this. But the flipping action is solid. It's got that little... That lock right there, and I'm guessing I can probably adjust it to make it a little bit smoother. But yeah, that's neat. Yeah, you can totally use those too, and they double as external stops. This kind of reminds me of the CRKT M40, but massively overhauled and upgraded. What material is this? I'm gonna guess that is injection mold plastic that has been textured to look like carbon fiber. Okay, it's neat that they shadow box this, and I wonder if that's steel or aluminum. Let me get my magnet here. I mean, the liners are... So this, I think, is aluminum. And then underneath we have steel. So the first Deadbolt knife that I handled was that massively oversized thing. And I was like, yeah, that's neat. I hope they translate that into, you know, it'd be cool on a smaller knife, right? Well, here we go. We've got a smaller knife. Oh, it's called the M40. Okay, so it's obviously meant as a knife in the same family. M40-03. No idea what the steel is on this. We've got bearings, and there's the other end of the lock. Ridiculously strong lock, by the way. People have been talking about this for a little bit. Standoffs. Yeah, this is... I mean, this is cool. Honestly, every now and then CRK does something that really surprises me. I will link this guy down below so you guys can check it out, as well as other CRKT knives if you want to, if you're like me and you haven't checked in on them in a little bit. I think they've got a whole bunch of stuff, whole bunch of new different things. They are trying to tiptoe into, and I think a couple of times they have successfully done it, moving into the enthusiast realm of the knife world with some of their line. So yeah, I'm trying to pay attention to them more, and so I'm really glad to have this here on the channel. What do we have? Some information on the steel? That would be cool. No, this is just a little thing on the M16. Does it say on the box? No, made in Taiwan. It's got a US patent number, but it says on the box M40-03 product of Taiwan. So it's made in Taiwan. No idea what the price is on this guy. I'm gonna guess it's not. I'm hoping that it's not insane. Really wanting that to fall. Flipping action's great. You can definitely whip it closed, right? So it's got that fidget factor. I'm wondering if a small adjustment will help out with the action. The blade is centered, though. I mean, yeah, it's just, this is so intriguing because it's not what I would expect aesthetically from CRKT. This is actually very appealing aesthetically to me. This, you know, despite the fact that this is probably plastic, it's kind of neat that they put that little texture pattern. Look at this. The texturing up close is pretty cool. I like that. And I love the knurling on the button. Man, I really like this. This is awesome. Very, very cool. All right, well, this is just an unboxing, first impressions, not a full comprehensive review. The review will come 2 to 3 weeks down the road after I've gathered my thoughts. Like I said, if I can find it, I will link this down in the description as well as other CRKT knives for you guys to check out. Please follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.